Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SD card appears in Disk Management. This avoids guessing. Once detected, make sure you have a full backup because formatting erases everything. Next, run File Explorer as an administrator and attempt a quick format. If Windows blocks quick format, open Command Prompt as admin and run diskpart to select the correct disk. Be absolutely sure you chose the SD card. These initial steps get you ready and prevent accidental data loss while beginning repair. Once in diskpart, use the clean command to remove corrupted partition data and then create a primary partition. After that, format using FAT32 for less or equal 32 GB or XFAT for larger cards. You can run format quick fs equals xfat from command prompt. If Windows still fails, run chkdsk/f on the SD volume to fix file system errors, or use the official SD association formatter for deeper fixes. Also, make sure you finish by safely ejecting and reinserting the card to confirm Windows mounts it and shows usable space. If Windows still reports the same error, check the physical write protect switch and toggle it. If software write protection is the issue, clear the storage device policy's registry key or use diskpart attributes disk clear read-only. Once done, test the card in another phone or camera. If problems persist, a low-level format tool or replacement may be necessary. Make sure to retest after each action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.